Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Apple Green Keyboard. We have to get this application from Arvin Apps, so let's get it right now. Let's open. Click to enable in the settings. Switch to this keyboard. Click OK. For the 2 times, then go back, tap to switch input methods, click on the English United States keyboard and tap finish. Then go back, and right now take a look. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks very close to the iOS theme. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.